Hello and welcome from the garden shop. In this video I want to show you one of our plant food and plant fertilizers that we have available on the website, and it is the slow release food pellets. So I'll just show you the packaging there. If you can just see the front of it there, it gives you detailed instructions on how to use it and what to use it for. So as I said, what we have here is a number of slow release plant foods or plant food pellets that once you apply them to your hanging baskets or your raised beds, that they will break down very slowly over the course of a year and give a continuous and gradual feed to your plants. So I'll just show you now. I'll open up the packaging and just show you what you're actually getting. So this is the pellet here. I'll just put it on the table there, take that one out. There's 25 in total in the packet. So that will give you quite a number of hanging baskets or beds that you can do, and you can see it's a cluster of little beads of plant food that are all kind of combined together. So it really makes for easy handling and easy use. So what you'd use something like this for, as I said, it's a slow release plant food with a general all-purpose nutrient content. So it has a real rich nutrient content. It has all the essential nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, and what you would use something like this for is to give a continual food supply to containered plants, such as in hanging baskets, in raised beds, in flower pots or containers. You could also use it to give continuous feed to plants in your greenhouses, such as tomatoes and the likes. The advantages of this then, it's firstly it's biodegradable, so it breaks down when it comes into contact with water and slowly breaks down. The advantages again is that it gives a continuous and steady feed to your plants, and with that you get a steady and balanced growth rate to your plants. So you're never going to scorch or burn your plants over applying fertilizer, and you're also never going to leave them deficient in nutrients or essential foods that they need. Therefore you're giving this continuous regular feed to your plants, which will lead to a more stable growth rate. Another great benefit is that just one application will last you the entire season long, so that will save you in having to continually feed your plants regularly. Just apply it at the time of sowing your seeds or at the time of planting up your raised beds, and your job is done. It's also non-toxic, and in all round it's an easy to use product. So application rates, well, you get good detailed instructions on the application rates on the product itself. You can just see here the second line says feeding recommendations. You can get that there. So the feeding recommendations just gives you a breakdown of different hanging basket sizes and the amount of pellets that you should add per hanging basket. So we'll just take this hanging basket forward here. So we have here is a 14-inch hanging basket, 14 inch in diameter, and a basket of this size would require 4 to 5 of these pellets added to it. So you would add these pellets at the time of planting up your hanging baskets. The process really is fill this to a certain level with compost. You can at that point, which I would also recommend, another product that we have on the website is the water retaining mats. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you what you get there. You can see it here on the back. It's a number of them in this package here. The quantity is 4 mats. So you get 4 mats, and basically these will absorb water. You place them inside on top of your compost into your hanging basket, and then put in more compost on top of that, and then add maybe 4 to 5 of your slow release plant food pellets, and then continue adding compost, and then begin planting up your hanging baskets. And that'll be it really. And the advantages then of your pellets again is that as they receive water and heat, they break down slowly, and the nutrients is then slowly released out into the soil and then into your plants itself. Again, as I said, it's not only water that increases the breakdown of the pellets, but it's also heat. Therefore you can tell that in the hottest times of the day, in the hottest times of the year, the pellets are more active, and that's exactly what the plants need. They need more nutrients in hotter weather, and that's exactly how the pellets react. So that'll be it really. You'd want to, again, a hanging basket like this, 4 to 5 And then remember just to keep your hanging baskets well watered over the course of the year, maybe watering them every second day. So that's it. That's the slow release plant food pellets. Again, it's one of a range of feeds that we have available on the website. We also have a general multi-purpose food here, which is your Grow More. Okay. We also have here is the tomato feed, which is specific towards feeding tomato plants as well as other fruiting and flowering plants. And then we have a range of straight fertilizers here, sulfate of potash, and we also have superphosphate. So that's it really. That's what I wanted to show you, was the plant slow release food pellets, which is a product available on thegardenshop.ie.